Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a kind and gentle stonecutter named Fred. Fred was known for his beautiful stone sculptures, each one more lovely than the last. He worked tirelessly, sculpting stones into flowers, animals, and even people. Every day, Fred would wake up with the sunrise, grabbing his tools and heading to his workshop. He loved the feel of the cold, smooth stones under his hands, and the sound of his chisel against the stone. One day, as Fred was working on a beautiful butterfly, he felt a strange sensation. It was as if the stone was alive. To his surprise, the butterfly began to take shape right before his eyes. "Wow!" Fred exclaimed, "I've never seen anything like this before." The butterfly finished taking shape, and it fluttered its wings, revealing a tiny, friendly face. "Hello, Fred," it said. "I'm the stone butterfly, one of the stones you've sculpted. I've been watching you for a long time, and I wanted to thank you for giving me life." Fred was amazed. He'd always known his sculptures were special, but bringing a stone to life was something he'd never imagined. "You can talk?" he asked, astonished. "Yes, I can," the stone butterfly replied. "And I'm not the only one. All the sculptures you've made can talk and move. They're just waiting for someone like you to give them life." Fred was overjoyed. He spent the rest of the day creating more and more sculptures, each one more lively and friendly than the last. The village was filled with talking, dancing, and laughing stones. From that day on, Fred's life was never the same. He not only created beautiful sculptures, but he also made friends with them. And every night, when he put them back in his workshop, they would tell him stories of their adventures during the day. Fred's stone friends taught him many things. They taught him about friendship, kindness, and the power of creativity. But most importantly, they taught him that every stone, every person, has a unique beauty waiting to be discovered. So, remember, just like Fred, you too have the power to bring life and friendship into the world. All it takes is a little kindness, a lot of creativity, and a heart full of love.